Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the Wi-Fi option not showing in settings on Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your services, type services and go to your services. After doing this chat, find out a window WLAN auto config. So here is a WLAN auto config. So open a services, select the automatic, click on stop, click on start, apply and OK, and restart the services. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, select a network adapter, select a Wi-Fi or a USB wireless LAN card driver, click on update driver, click on browse my computer from drivers, click on let me pick from list available driver on my computers, select a model, click on next to continue. Click close and close it. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, and after doing this that select a USB Wi-Fi wireless LAN, click on update driver, right click on uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a msconfig, open system configurations, click on services, click on hide all Microsoft services, and after that click on disable all, click apply and OK button. Now restart the required. So after completing that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.